guys, welcome back to another vlog with your girl. And can y'all believe it's already December, which also means I gotta start planning for my birthday. But anyways, I hope y'all had a wonderful Thanksgiving, even though I was at work. Oh my god, I'm tired. Anyways, today's Monday, y'all. On Mondays is really my lazy day.
Get up over the blood clot, because look how work done. Get up over the blood clot, because look how work through you with that big dirty side.
I don't do much. I just be chilling. I don't know if you can hear the game in the background, and I'm also listening to this psychologist that I watch every day. He's Jamaican. But I came on here because I have a package to show y'all, because I did take advantage of the little Black Friday sale. I got a couple things from Skims, which is this package. I also have another Skims package coming, I think Thursday. I also ordered a few things from Fashion Nova. They haven't sent me a shipping email yet, but y'all, I haven't ordered anything from Fashion Nova since 2021. They were really pissing me off. So I'm praying to God, like, I just don't have time. So, oh, this dirty bag on the damn bed. So for those of you, you know, who watch my videos, you already know how I feel about skim undies. Oh, I just love. So this is a bra, and it's kind of sheer in this area, so it's gonna be, you know, exposing the girls. I love that it has this little detail right here. I decided to go with this color because the one that I want, I think it's called Jasper. Like, it's really fucking pretty. It was sold out. And this is a top. And I seen this top on Shelby, this girl that I watch. She's a small content creator. I love her down. Like, I'm not even a purple girl, y'all, but when I saw this, I instantly loved. Madison's about to be home in a few. I need to go make some dinner. I don't know what I'm gonna cook yet, and I honestly don't think I'm a vlog. So yeah, happy Monday, y'all.
Let's get it too.
Hi, here to pick up. Y'all, I did not remember that I had dry cleaner to pick up. It's been a week, but I got my trench coat and my Zara pants because I want to start, you know, taking care of my things. So anyway, on my way to work, I wanted to go out for breakfast this morning, but I was way too tired. I don't know what's been going on, but for the past 2 weeks, I've just been super drained. I've been sleeping my whole life away. I also feel like I need a wellness retreat type of getaway because I haven't been thinking straight. I feel so alone. I just feel out of place. Like, I don't feel like myself. And then it's just like with the whole daylight savings change, that kind of adds to how I feel. Pussy, go on. I'm a little fuck deal. Drunk crow. Today's a random Thursday and I'm in Sephora because I paid yesterday, so why not treat myself? But I seen this yesterday and I'm like, I want to smell it because I don't like to blindly buy stuff. But they don't have the body wash, but they do have the, what do you call this, the body splash. I don't know, let's check out something else. Okay. So she put this skin tint on my face, and I kid you not, there's nothing. Literally nothing.
OMG, quick intermission. This is editing Shakera. So I just realized that the lady had put an order in for my Fenty skin tint because I didn't have my shade in store. This happened December 5th. Today is December 28th. Where the hell is my package? But anyways, get back to the vlog. I love y'all.
That's really cute. All right. Thank you.
Yeah, of course. Have a great day. Okay?
All right, you too. Thank you. So y'all, I'm back from, what the hell? Hold on, y'all. But anyways, yeah, I'm back from the mall. I went to Zara. Ah! Yo, ah! I don't know what the hell's going on, but the camera not trying to make me be great. But anyways, I went to Zara. You know what? Maybe I shouldn't give you guys a haul. Maybe that's what it is, because ain't no way. Anyways, like I was saying, I went to Zara, but all the items that I picked up, they couldn't fit. And then it was just like, I wasn't feeling them, because the things that I had in my cart, because what I like to do is, I like to look online, see what they have, put it in my cart, and then when I go in store, I like shop around for those items. But half the items that I had didn't have, and then the ones that I seen, I tried them on, it was just not fitting right. So I'm just like, you know what, forget it. But I did pick up a few stuff for Madison. But for me, I stopped at Sephora. So let me give you guys a quick haul. I got this glass straw. When I seen it, I was like, I want it. But then she was like, if you have points, you could get it for free. Also re-upped on my niacinamide glow recipe serum. Honestly, y'all, I didn't need it. The next thing I got is a powder puff. So that's that. And I got the Milk Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray. And I already have the primer in this, but she recommended that this was good. So I told her, just give me the travel size. The item that I actually went for, y'all, is Brow Pencil, because I ran out. I got this in number 5. And I don't think this is the one that I'm gonna get, because this one is more finer and more precise. So I love that. And then there's like more little goodies. Okay, so this is a moisturizer, and this is what I already have, but I have the bigger size. So that's my little haul. How do I get in here? You all. I'm just laughing at myself right now. So anyways, I just got back from therapy, and I'm like, you know what? I'm on my monthly, and I feel like, you know, I want some good old breakfast. So I'm gonna take myself on a solo date. And I was looking for a nice breakfast spot, and I seen that one. Tell me where I pulled up. Paid for parking, walking inside, vlogging. Baby, when I opened that door, it did not budge. It did not budge. So I went on Google to look up, you know, if they're open, and it says open. I should have knew something was wrong, because when I went to the door, y'all, trying to open it, in the front had all these old fridges and, you know, like grills and stuff. So in my head, I was thinking, like, is this the main entrance, or this is the entrance for the employees? Because why am I seeing the whole kitchen? Went on Google, decided that I'm going to call to ask them, like, you know, where's the other entrance? It said, this call cannot be found, or some shit along those lines. So I'm like, okay, cool, whatever. So let me go on to Instagram. Y'all, their last Instagram post was from April 2023. When I read the comments, everyone was saying, oh my God, I'm so sad y'all closed. What?
I want the blood clot this. I want the bomber clot this. I want the blood clot this.
And this is shit that be pissing me the fuck off, because why do you have on Google that you guys are still open and you're not open? So not only I waste my time, I wasted my money for parking. I'm tired. And now I'm embarrassed, because I literally was breaking down the fucking door. Like, why is it not opening? Like, do you go in or do it comes out? Like, what? So anyways, y'all, I gave my ticket to this lady right here. She's a, you know, one of those palm people. She was like, oh my God, you're so beautiful. I'm like, thank you. I felt good about that. I did something good today. It doesn't hurt to be kind, y'all. Be kind.
First of all, I didn't even pay for this. Looking for exfoliator and possibly some toner.
Thank you. Have a good day. Tell me why I can't find my phone. So I'm headed back to Ulta with my iPad to ping it to see if I can find it. Oh my God. Oh, I found it. Hey guys, so today we're gonna do a do-it-all skincare. You know, dermaplane, mask, exfoliate, everything. So if y'all get this, put it in the fridge, okay? Because this feels so freaking amazing right now. Hey Hey guys, good afternoon. We're headed to medicine school this afternoon because they're having like a little class party. So they want the parent or parents to come to the school to assist making gingerbread house. But first, I'm gonna stop by this Boba tea shop. This song right here, y'all. I love, I love, I love. You don't have to tape it because I'm gonna take some pictures. Yeah. All right, thank you so much. You too. Okay. It looks so freaking good. Too good. So this one's strawberry. I think this one's fruity pebbles, and this is matcha. And then I got the passion fruit boba. I tasted it. It tastes really good. So I'm about to try the dessert thingy, y'all. And I need to get one more of this. It's crazy because the other day when I went to Sephora, this is actually what I went for, and I got sidetracked. But I had went to Ulta and picked this up. And if y'all know me by now, I get stuff because it's pink. I got it, and honestly, I don't like how it smells, and I just don't like it. Like, this shade of pink does not look good on my lips. I thought it was clear, honestly. I should have checked. And I did tell y'all that the boba is good. I got the passion fruit tea. So yeah, let's get into it. And I had ordered two, but when she brought them out, they were in like clear containers. I'm like, what happened to the pretty fancy bags? Because that's why I'm here. And she was like, oh, you only get that if you order 3. I'm like, okay, add another one. And it smells so fucking good. Oh my god, it smells so good. I don't really care for dessert. Like, I'm that girl that hates chocolate. Like, I just don't do dessert. But this, I just had to have it. Okay, I don't know where to start. I'm gonna take a bite of each. So let's get into it. Okay, so that's the strawberry. Okay, so now we're moving on to the fruity pebbles. Ooh, this is how she looks. Okay. That one's good too. And I'm gonna take a bite of the matcha. Okay, so here's the thing. I don't know what matcha is supposed to taste like, but if this is how it should be, I think I'm gonna need to start drinking matcha, because this really tastes good. But anyways, I gotta go, y'all, because I'm late. Just made it here, y'all. I just came to the bathroom real quick. But tell me why I went inside the classroom. Sis acting like she don't know me. Like, girl, please. Hold on, Madi.
Yeah, I don't think they have that. That's what replaced it now, is this one.
Oh, okay. All right. Yo, I wasted my time coming to the mall, and I'm pissed off because it took me 30 minutes to even find parking. So I see that they have it on Amazon, so I'm gonna just order it from them. She really eating today. So my dad said I have a little drinking thing, and yes, I did my makeup because I want to be put together. And don't let me on the toilet, y'all. Good morning, y'all. So I'm about to do my skincare and get my day started. I've been up since 7. It's now 10:56. I was cleaning up my vanity and I was on the phone with my best friend. But the hoe decided she want to call somebody else. But anyways, I want to schedule an appointment to get my nails done because
y'all, look at this. This is not cute. These are actually my natural nails. Like, they've been growing. I've been getting Russian manicure, but for some reason, like, they're always breaking, and I really don't want to cut them because honestly, when I first started doing Russian, like, it was lower than this finger. I'm gonna just pay the extra $5 for each fingers for her to, you know, do her magic. But yeah, I also need to schedule my laser appointment because I canceled my last session because I was on my menstrual. Hopefully she has availability. As far as hair, honestly, y'all, I probably just take this off and reinstall it. I don't know if I told you, this is a 2x6 closure with some bundles sewn in, and I've been loving it. Like, I love this way more than wigs. Like, baby, yes. But yeah. And do y'all like my cute ass pajamas? My Fashion Nova package finally came in. I was not in the mood to show y'all, but I got a bunch of PJs, and this is one of them, and it's just so freaking cute. And yeah, it's super soft, by the way. But let's get this skincare cracking. So y'all, I don't know what's been going on, but I watched a couple of people's vlogs, and they were complaining that only 1/3 of their Christmas tree is coming on. And it's crazy because mine too, but now nothing is on. Like, no lights, absolutely nothing. And I don't know if the lights are blown or the socket's not working. I don't know what's going on. But one thing I know for sure, it's gonna stay like this. Yeah, I give up. Y'all, I booked my laser appointment and also my nail appointment. But the thing about my nail appointment is that I'm not going to the lady that does my Russian manicure because she has no availability. I had to go on Google, look up Russian manicure near me. I was not finding anything that's in close proximity to me. So I found this really, really cute aesthetic nail shop. Anyways, I called to see if they do Russian manicure because it wasn't like listed in their description. But they told me no. So my friend was telling me, you know, about Billy Gel. I don't really know too much of it. So anyways, I asked her if she had availability for tomorrow, and that if she do, to schedule me for tomorrow, which she did. So I was telling her 2 of my nails, they're broken, but I would like her to extend them without tip. Like, would she be able to do it? So she's like, yeah, that's cool. $10 for a nail. Mind you, my lady charges $5 for a nail. So I'm like, you know what? It's what it is. But then she asked me if I still have the nails on. So I told her no, which I lied because the nail polish is still on. You all, I tried to take it off. Look at this. Look at this. That's $30 fucking now. $30 plus the $75. So I'm just gonna let the others stay because at this point I just can't. On that note, I'm excited that I'm gonna do my nails tomorrow, and yeah, y'all gonna see the plays because it's really cute. I'm telling y'all, it's really cute. I probably get my feet done. Actually, I do need to get my feet done. They're screaming for help. And the thing about it is that I'm the girl that doesn't touch her feet during winter time, and that's logical to me. I know the girlies are against it, but it's just like my feet is always inside shoes in the winter time. Why am I getting it done? Anyways, I changed my mindset, and I've been, you know, making myself look more put together. So I'm gonna do my nails tomorrow and my toes at 11:30. I probably just wear my work clothes and then leave from there, go straight to work. And then Friday is my laser, and I have therapy Friday. But I don't think I'm gonna take you guys to therapy. I probably don't even take you guys to the laser because it's the same place, it's the same thing, same goggles, same machine, same me. Hey you all, so holiday maintenance commence now, and you all, I was up from 4 o'clock this morning because Madison was throwing up nonstop. I didn't send her to school, but her school nurse did call saying, like, you know, this is something that always happen around this time, and
I should have sent her to school tomorrow, which tomorrow was going to be her last day. So I'm okay with that. But I did, you know, take the time off from work because I can't take her to work with me. But that does not mean my maintenance is postponed, okay? Say hi to my black girl. Say hi. My friend's so cute. We having a little girls maintenance date, a long distance friend maintenance date. Why are you laughing? So I'm back in the car, y'all, and I'm on my way home. And I'm conflicted because remember I say, you know, I'm gonna start doing Russian manicures. I love Russian manicure. That's my thing. That's my jam right now. But Katie did her big one. She ended up had to put tips on my nails, which resulted in me having to cut my natural nails that I was fucking growing. But I really love that place. I felt, you know, welcome. The lady was like, oh my God, I love your hair. You're so cute. I'm like, thanks, girl. Even though the girl that was doing my nails, Katie, at one point she made me feel kind of, you know, a little awkward, because one thing about it, I'm very pleasant, I'm very polite. I like to think about, you know, other people when I'm doing things in regards to when I'm vlogging and stuff. So, you know, I nicely asked her like, is it okay if I, you know, record this, vlog this, whatever the case may be, because I'm a content creator, so. But I don't think she understood what I was saying. So I was just like, you know what, just forget it. But besides that, everything was cool. This is getting froggy. But hey y'all, good morning. So my therapist canceled on me and I was super excited because honestly I was tired. I couldn't make it out of bed. But I have my laser appointment in like 34 minutes. So I like to take showers before I go because if you know, you know. I ain't trying to be one of them. So I need to hurry up and do that. And then I got to run to the bank. I actually have cash, but I like to tip. So I'm gonna just take out extra cash for that. So yeah. Yo, all I could do is laugh right now because like I just feel like the worst things be happening to me. So remember like a couple minutes ago I was telling y'all that I'm gonna shower because I have laser appointment and my therapist canceled. So tell me why I pull up to the spot. Look inside, I don't see no lights. I'm ringing the bell. So I'm like, you know what, let me go call her because sometimes she's running late. When I went to go text her, I did not realize she texted me this morning saying like, you know, she haven't been doing services in a month, so she's gonna resume work in January. So right now I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I have to leave out for work in like 2 hours. Actually no, an hour. So I think I'm gonna just go back home. I was starting to edit this vlog. It's taking a toll on me. And I'm starting to think that it's an external hard drive that I need. And I need to get one ASAP because when it gets to that stage, the shit will crash out and then I lose everything. And I don't want that to happen. So, yeah, but it's raining and I'm gonna drive slow because I don't know if I told you guys that I almost lost my life the other day. The car hydroplaned off the freaking road. Like, I was terrified. I dodged it 3 freaking times. I dodged a pole, I dodged a wall, and then I dodged the little thing in the middle of the road that separates, you know, both sides of traffic. Yeah, girl. So I'm gonna just turtle my way home.